I want to fix a major bug from the last video, and that is if you get too close to the cube, you can't turn anymore. I'm going to go into move forward. And here's a problem. No matter what is in front of you, you should still be able to turn. So this should be outside the if statement. Same thing here. This should be outside. And that should fix it. If I go back and play again, we can now turn. I'm also going to go into the jump ability. And for now, I'm just going to make this linear, but not too strong. 0.1. And for the pull, I'm going to try 0.35. And maybe a little stronger jump force. Okay, I like that better.